for the weird intro right there. The reason why I did that was because Whip My Hair by Willow Smith, Will Smith's daughter. When I saw that video, this was my reaction. Son of a bitch! I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. Oh, it still kind of hurts. Anyway, I thought, wow, I really like this video. And then I tried to hit the like button, the thumbs up, but I accidentally hit the dislike button. Oops. And then I read this weird comment that said, little that I knew, the person was coming to my freaking house. My house! And this is basically what happened. This is actually true. This is a true story, believe me or not. I freaking love this video. I'm so thumbs upping this. That's even a word. Well, thumbs up. Oh, son of a bitch! Oh my darn it. I accidentally disliked the video. Shit. You know what? You know what? It's okay. Come on, Steven, just calm down. He won't kill you. And neither will those 65,000 people. Oh, that's a pretty mic. Go ahead, come on, chat. Oh, there you are, mother. Oh. You're the guy that was gonna kill me, right? Yeah, I'm the guy. Now break yourself, fool. Ah!
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need, you decided this. What you say?
Go, croquet ball. Roll away and tell the others.
Guys, you'll never believe what happened.
What green croquet ball? Did someone mistaken you for a green apple?
You, ginger croquet ball.
Just tell us what happened.
Steve just died.
I don't believe him. Well, I believe him. Shut the hell up, black croquet ball. Y'all are just racist.
Yeah, I know that video was kind of weird and random, but you know, just leave it at that. And that's what I get for disliking a video. But that was an accident, so I died for nothing.